I made it just in time.
Beep, 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 beep. Yep, here's good. Perfect.
Ooh.
Wow. Hey, have you guys seen Patrick?
Yeah, I see him. He's right up there.
There's gotta be a snack machine around here somewhere. Hey, guys.
Patrick, look out! Be careful!
Anybody want anything? I'll be right back. Help! What were you thinking?
Are you okay in there, Patrick?
Get me out of here!
I'll save you, Patrick, buddy. This calls for some karate.
I'll help you, SpongeBob.
Okay, someone else's turn. We've got an idea. Stripes, we're going to need a lot of speed to make sure we collide with enough force to break open the piñata.
I'm ready. Let's go!
Hi, Patrick. Hey, guys, what's going on?
Well, Patrick fell into this piñata. Blaze and Stripes got stuck trying to help, and we don't know what to try next.
Oh, I see what's going on here. You guys have to follow the proper steps.
First step, the piñata must be swinging.
Second step, you must be blindfolded.
The piñata can tell if you're cheating.
What's the third step? You gotta strike at the precise moment. Now!
Well, this didn't work out so badly.
Patrick. Patrick, why are you wearing jelly pants?
I'm not wearing jelly pants.
Uh-oh. Those aren't jelly pants. Looks like another jelly fiasco. You guys scoop it up and let's meet on the outskirts of town. You guys get the dozers. I'll provide the water pressure.
Yeah, you got it.
Sorry about your fence. Oh, it's okay. I think these guys mean business, SpongeBob.
And they're off!
Woohoo! Get on in.
Tiny Tank is chasing after Crusher!
Uh-oh. Oh, no! I'm out of the race!
Tiny Tank takes the lead! Looks like hazardous road conditions!
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Look out! Ah, that's better. Maybe she's just gonna help us clean the car.
He's okay! Tiny Tank maintains the lead! Blaze takes the lead! And they're out! SpongeBob and Raph are still in the race!
Ask your parents to subscribe to the Toymation YouTube channel.